Hello everybody and welcome back to English with Shami. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about telling the time in English. And if you're ready, let's get started. Now let's start with the basics. This is a watch and this is a digital clock. For the purposes of this lesson, I will use both. When asking time in English, you may say, "What time is it?" or "What's the time?" And when answering, you say, "It's," for example, "It's 10 o'clock," or "It's 11 o'clock." Do we always have to say o'clock? Not really. O'clock is more formal, so we may say, "It's 10," or "It's 11." Now, there are 2-hour formats, the 24-hour format and the 12-hour format. Most devices use the 24-hour format, but when telling the time, we read it in the 12-hour format. For example, we would read this time as 4 o'clock, not 16 o'clock. There are 2 ways of telling time in English, and let's start with the easier one. For this, I'm going to use a digital clock, and when telling time this way, we read from the left to the right. This is what I mean. What time is it? It's 10:05. It's 10:10. It's 10:15. It's 10:30. Now let's look at the other way of telling time. When telling time this way, we use these words: past, to, quarter, and half. Now, quarter means 15 minutes and half means 30 minutes. This part is past and this part of the clock is to. If using a digital clock, we read from right to left. Let's have a look. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. It's 1:05. It's 1:10. It's 1:15. It's 1:20. It's 1:25. It's 1:30. It's 25 to 2. It's 20 to 2. It's 1:45. It's 10 to 2. It's 5 to 2. It's 2 o'clock. Sometimes when telling the time, you might not want to be specific or you might not know the exact time. So you can use this word around. For example, what time is it? It's around 5:15. Or it's around 5:15. Today we have learned about the basics of telling time in English. I hope you found this video useful. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.